In this video, I will briefly share more about how you are a multidimensional being. You are a multidimensional being, and this means that you are a spiritual being having a spiritual experience in a physical dimension. You also have a number of energy layers that exist and emanate from your physical body, and each outer layer increases in frequency. Let's take a look at these layers. The physical body is your physical vehicle here on Earth. Your five senses allow you to experience the richness of life. Your body has the capacity to process everything you experience. However, as we mostly live from our mind, we are rarely present and connected to our physical body. The next layer moving outward from the physical body is the etheric body, and this is the purple layer in the Energy Man image. This is where the energy centers reside, also known as the chakras, and it is the bridge between the physical and non-physical. The next layer beyond this is the emotional feeling body. This is the blue layer, and this is where you sense and feel your emotions. There's a difference between your emotions and your feelings. Your emotions are in the mind, while your feelings are sensations in your physical body. The next layer is the mental body. This is the red layer. This is where your thoughts and beliefs reside. And this is where we make up stories, draw conclusions, develop grudges, have opinions, attitudes, etc. It's here in the mental body as well as the emotional feeling body where we develop interferences in our energy field. And last but not least, the furthest layer from our body is the spiritual body, and this is the green layer. This has the quality of pure love and ultimately has influence over your entire system. The spiritual body resides underneath and throughout all of the other energy bodies. Our goal is to allow this spiritual energy of pure love to flow all the way into our physical body without any interference. Our energy becomes fragmented and imbalanced due to all our beliefs, stories, unprocessed and unresolved emotions and feelings. Essentially, this principle is about embracing your true essence, the soulful self, which is hidden beneath all of your life's experiences which haven't been fully processed. Here are some phrases that may support and inspire you in your journey of transformation. I welcome the truth that at my core, I am pure love and light. I embrace the limitless and eternal being that I am. I allow myself to receive all of me and feel myself glowing radiantly.